Welcome back everyone. This is Niveda from Start Techies, the software team. In this video, we are going to learn about software configuration management. Whereas, what is meant by software configuration management? Software configuration management is a process to systematically manage, organize, and control the changes in the documents, codes, and other entities during the software development lifecycle. So, every software process which goes through sequence of changes, these changes may be due to the requirement changes which are given by the customer or changes which are happening in the team or in the organization or changes in the government policies and because of the rules or changes in the project schedule or this kind of a changes which affects the codes as well as the project plan and the other documentation process and other testing procedures and other entities. Why do we need a configuration management? Hence, there is a need of a software configuration management concept. The primary reason of implementing technical software configuration management system are there are multiple people working on a software which is continually updating. It may be a case where multiple versions, branches, authors are involved in a software configuration project and the team is geographically distributed and works concurrently. Changes in user requirement, policy, budget, schedule need to be accommodated. Software should be able to run on various machines and operating systems. And now we will see software configuration management tasks. The software configuration management process defines a number of tasks. They are configuration control, version control, status reporting, change control, and configuration auditing. Configuration control or identification. Configuration identification is a method of determining the scope of the software system. With the help of these steps, you can manage or control something even if you did not know what is it. It is a description that contains the CSCI type, which is meant by computer software configuration item, a project identifier and a version information. Change control. James Pack describes change control in the content of software configuration management is change control is a vector, but the forces that makes it essential also make it annoying. Worrying about change because a small confusion in the code can create a big failure in the product, but it can also fix a significant failure or enable incredible new capabilities. Version control. Version control combines procedure and tools to handle a different version of a configuration objects that are generated during the software process. Configuration management allows the user to specify the alternative configuration of the system software through the selection of the appropriate versions. This is supported by associating previews with each software versions and then allowing a configuration to specified by describing the set of attributes. Configuration audit. Software configuration management audits to verify that the software products satisfy the baselines requirements and ensure that what is built and what is delivered. Software configuration management audits also ensure that traceability is maintained but all classes and that all work requests are associated with one or more modifications. Status reporting. Configuration status reporting, sometimes called as status accounting, providing accurate status and current configuration data to developers, testers, end users, customers, and stakeholders through admin guides, user guides, FAQs, release notes, installation guides, configuration guides, etc. Software configuration management tools. Software configuration management is normally supported by tools with different functionalities. Examples: RCS, Version Control System, in an early implementation of a version control system. It is a set of Unix commands that allow multiple users to develop and maintain a program code or a document. CVS, Concurrent Version System, is a program that lets a code developer save and retrieve different development versions of the source code. It also lets a team of developers share a control of different versions of a file in a common repository of files. This kind of a program is sometimes known as a version control system. And now we will see advantages and disadvantages of a software configuration management. Advantages: to increase the productivity efficiency of a software as it controls and tracking the overflow or a development process. It welcomes change management so the risk of the product will be less. It is used for a proper monitoring and auditing of the software development product. Disadvantages: it needs resources with a full knowledge about the software configuration management tools. It requires more resources to work with the configuration management process for small industries. Requires a highly configured desktop, laptop for development stages. The software configuration management process, which helps to track, managing and controlling the changes on the configuration items during the software development lifecycle. The self-organized teams, product owner, project manager, developer, tester are participating in the change request approval in software configuration management. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do comment and please support Star Techniques. Bye bye.